Next we are discussing examples. So there are two examples given, first example and this second example. So in this example what we have to find out, interval of increasing and interval of decreasing we have to find out. So how to do? See, this is the function is given, so we have to find out interval of increasing and interval of decreasing. So what is interval of increasing? If dy by dx is greater than equal to 0 and equal to 0 at discrete point, that is interval of increasing, and dy by dx is less than equal to 0 and equal to 0 at discrete point, that is interval of decreasing. So what we have to do? We have to differentiate this one. So we have to differentiate this one. What we come? D of fx divided by dx. Okay, so this will come what? 4x cube minus 24x square plus 44x minus 24. This will come. Okay, so we have to find out where it is positive, where it is negative, that we have to find out. So what we'll do here, 4 is common, x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. This will come. Now here, if I put x equal to 1, if I put x equal to 1, then it will satisfy this one, because what will come? 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6, so that will come 0. So we can say x equal to x minus 1 is a root. Okay, similarly if I put x equal to 2 here, if I put x equal to 2, then what will come? 2 cube, that is 8 minus 6 into 2 square, 2 square is what? 4, 4 into 6 is what? 24, plus 11 into 2, 22, minus 6. So here if you check, minus 24 minus 6 is what? 30, and this is what? 8 plus 22 is what? 30. So this is also equal to 0. So x equal to 2 also satisfy this equation. That means we can say x minus 2 is also a root. Similarly, if you check x equal to 3, x equal to 3, then what will come? 3 cube is what? 27 minus 3 square is what? 9, 9 into 6 is what? 54, plus 11 into 3 is what? 33, minus 6. So here if you check, 27 plus 30 is what? 60, and minus 54 minus what? Minus 60. So this is also equal to 0. So we can say x minus 3 is also root. So this one we can write what? D of fx divided by dx equal to 4 is common. This one we can write is what? X minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Okay, so where d of fx divided by dx is 0, that we have to find out. So what we will go? X equal to 1, 2 and 3. So at 1, 2, 3, d of fx divided by dx is what? 0. Okay, so we are drawing number line. So this point is what? 1, this is 2, this is 3. At 1, 2, 3 function is d of fx divided by dx is 0. Next we have to find out where d of fx by dx is what? Positive or negative. So for that we will use wavy curve. Okay, so if we take any number greater than 3, and if we put here, so this is positive, this is positive, this is positive, so this side what will come? Positive. Next we have to check x equal to 3. So what we have to check? X minus 3. So x minus 3 is what? This one. So power is what? Odd. So we have to change the sign. So in this interval what will come? Negative. Next will come 2. So x equal to 2. So we have to check x minus 2. So x minus 2 power is what? Odd. So we have to change the sign. So this will come negative, this will come positive. Next what will come? 1. So x equal to 1. So we have to check x minus 1. So x minus 1 power is what? 1. So we have to change the sign. So this is positive, this is negative. So you can see here, minus infinity to 1, d of fx divided by dx is negative. Differentiation negative. In this one differentiation is positive, in this one negative, in this one positive. Okay, and equal to 0 at this point, at this point, at this point. So we can say that minus infinity to 1, okay, dy of dx is what? Less than 0. So we can say function is strictly decreasing, or we can say decreasing function. Then 1 to 2, 1 to 2 you can see dy by dx is what? Positive. So here it is increasing. And here if I take 2 to 3, 2 to 3, okay, 2 to 3 if I check, dy by dx is what? Negative. So here will come what? Decreasing. And 3 to infinity, dy by dx is positive, so we can say here increasing. So 3 to infinity, dy by dx is what? Positive, so function is increasing function. So in this interval decreasing, here function is increasing, here decreasing, and here increasing. Okay, see 1, 2 and 3 we are not including. Why we are not including, that we will discuss later. Next example is this one, fx equal to 2x divided by 1 plus x square. So here also we have to find an interval of increasing and interval of decreasing. So what we will do, we will differentiate this one. So this one we can write, in short we can write y. So we are finding dy by dx. Okay, so this one differentiate how to do, here u by v we will use. So denominator whole square, 1 plus x square whole square. Then denominator is h, it is 1 plus x square, differentiation of denominator. So 2x differentiation if we do, what will come? 2 minus 2x is as it is, then we have to differentiate denominator. So 1 plus x square if we differentiate, what will come? 1 differentiate what? 0, x square differentiate 2x, this will come. Okay, so here 2 we can take common, in bracket 1 plus x square minus x into 2x, what will come? Minus 2x square divided by 1 plus x square whole square, this will come. So this will come what? 2, 1 plus x square minus 2x square, so this will come what? 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square whole square. Okay, so this one we can write it what? 2 minus common x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 whole square. Okay, so this one we can write what? Minus 2 into x minus 1 into x plus 1 divided by 1 plus x square whole square. Now we have to check where this is negative, where this is positive. So here we have to use wavy curve. So first we have to find out critical points. So here we can say denominator is what? Never 0. Numerator can become 0. So what are the critical point will come? 1 and minus 1. Okay, so we'll draw 1 and minus 1. This is 1 and this is minus 1. So this is minus 1, this is 1. Now if I take any value greater than 1 and if I put here, so this is positive and it is negative. So negative into positive what will come? Negative. So this side what will come? Negative. Next, this is what? 1. So we can write this one x equal to 1. So what will come? X minus 1. So x minus 1 power is what? Odd. Then we have to change the sign. So this side is negative, this side will become positive. Next one, this is what? Minus 1. So this one we can write x equal to minus 1. So what will come? X plus 1. So we have to check x plus 1. X plus 1 power is what? Odd. So we have to change the sign. So this is positive, this side will become negative. Okay. So you can see in this center, minus infinity to minus 1, function is what? Decreasing, because dy by dx is negative. Minus 1 to 1, dy by dx is what? Positive. So function is increasing. And 1 to infinity, you can see dy by dx is negative. So function is decreasing. Okay.